here from Long Speed Marine. This is going to be an update on what's happening in the shop. To start off with, the Mercury is back on the hoist. It's set to be worked on very soon. I'm just still finishing off. I've been renovating the shop a little bit and making a proper office area so that I can get stuff out of the back corner and into the office, my desk and chairs and stuff like that over there, so I have a better sort of metalworking area. So that's what we're working on now. Let me grab the camera and show you sort of what's going on. Okay, so the C50 is off of the hoist now. We've got it ready to go out the door or be for sale, whatever it is for sale. So if someone buys it, it's ready to go out the door, or if I get tired of looking at it, I'll push it out the door. Right now it's snowing like crazy, so I haven't done that yet. This big, basically table, whatever here, is gonna be turned into a workbench. That was originally a, I don't know, I guess a shelf that was out here. So let me show you what's going on around the corner. All these bags are blown in insulation that I had to take out of this wall. So I've now got this wall opened up. This was the former shed where the lawn tractor and lawn, outdoor stuff went. So it's now being turned into my office, and all that desk and all that stuff will go out here. Be just sort of a place to get some work done, edit some videos where it's quiet, that kind of stuff, just chill out, whatever. So that's what's happening in here. Still doing the insulation, but that's what's going on here. So C50 is in position to be kicked out, and Skylark's sitting there. So all that stuff that's in that back corner, the desk and those chairs and the recliner that you just saw there, that will leave that area and go out here so that I can spread out these metalworking tools a little bit more, get my bandsaw over there, and the blast cabinet put in a better spot. Also want to move this compressor. I've talked about that a while. Still torn on where to put it. And to get power, I want it in the back room there, but to get power to it is going to be expensive to drag it all the way up and over. So it'll probably just sit here-ish for now. But that's the plan eventually will be to get it back there, and then I'll need to do a dryer or whatever. But the Mercury, so the Mercury is on the hoist, and the next step on it is I'm gonna get the motor back in place. I'm gonna make new mounts for it. Totally not happy with mounts. I've got a ton of mounts, different style body mounts that I've bought, got on, basically for deals, really, really cheap. So I don't know what style I'm gonna use yet, but I'm gonna change the motor mounts because I wasn't happy with those. I've got my LS harness here, which I showed in another update. So that will all plug into the motor. Hopefully we can get the motor set in. The tranny mount is done, so that will still stay. I like how I did that. Hopefully we can fire the motor up, give us a little bit of motivation on that. And then once I get the motor back in, I can continue working on the tunnel section, tranny tunnel part of it, and the rest of the tunnel throughout the car, so I can get that all done. And I'm torn whether the body's gonna come back off after I get all that stuff in and the body structure is now solid. I'm torn whether the body comes back off to finish up the frame or what. I just haven't decided yet. So that's the plan on what's coming up next. So that should be, I'm gonna say a week or two by the time I get back on that. So pretty soon, it's just about Christmas time now. So over the Christmas time, I won't have too much time, but in there between Christmas and New Year's, I may have some time to get on this and tackle the motor mounts. All right, so that's what's happening around the shop here. Hey, I really appreciate all my subscribers, everybody that watches the videos and follows along, likes, comments, all that stuff. I really, really appreciate all of you. Let's keep it going. Let's keep spreading the word so we get to that 1,000 subscriber mark. We're not too far away, but it's coming close, and I really appreciate all of you. Thanks very much, and take care.